Hey, so today is day 2 of the video shoot for JT that we've been putting together. Thomas did a lot of the fitness tips and tricks and drills yesterday, and today we're going to be doing products for JT, the entry-level products for beginner players, and Rich is going to be doing that, so I'll film him. We'll get some good bloopers from him, some backup behind the scenes, and see how we go. I think it's really good that Rich and Excessive are being able to help JT work with the new player, work with the new products, and get them involved and feel like we're giving back a little bit. So let's see what we get today. Take it easy, everybody.
So I'm driving like 90 and I see the sign saying left lane flooded, and I was like, huh. But like it's not shut down or anything, so I'm like, yeah, it's not that big a deal. I was like, oh, like flooded. Hi, Rich.
Hi, Rich.
How you doing? Looking good, baby? If they just put the little bit of voice thing in here, like you would talk just like Darth Vader. Like, great thingy. Great technology. I wish they would have this 50 years ago when I started playing paintball. It was actually like 60 years ago. But if you have any questions about this marker or any other markers, please check empirepaintball.com. Bitches.